So I'm back again to continue what is meant by translation paradigm. Correspondences in a translation paradigm are of three parameters. These are highly significant. The first parameter is direction of a translation. Of course, we've got two directions, either from the source to the target one or the translation one, or vice versa, and the notion of back translation. The second parameter is expression. In this case, we have either an overt expression or a zero expression, and we are going to explain what is meant by overt or zero in our next slide. The third parameter is congruence. We've got convergent and divergent. You know that convergent and divergent are related to convergent thinking and divergent thinking. And I'm going to upload an external presentation showing the difference between convergent and divergent thinking, because this is highly necessary in understanding this parameter. In divergent thinking, which is in Arabic as التفكير التبايني or التباعدي, in this thinking, we have a process of thinking to generate creative ideas out of exploring a large quantity of possible solutions. So it is open-ended, it is set in a non-linear manner. Unlike the convergent thinking, in which we've got a linear process, it is more systematic, more flexible, more analytical, in order to arrive at one solution, and this solution could be the best one. These three parameters are dealt with in Johansson's book, which is entitled Seeing Through Multilingual Corpora, on the use of corpora in contrastive studies. Now, for zero correspondence, as the name suggests, we've got two languages. One of these two languages does not have any form or pattern that can be related specifically to the form or pattern in the other language. So it is zero correspondence. An example set from Norwegian language, det var likevel som han hade gjort en erbjudning at kuppa, which is translated into English as it was as if he had made a conquest, a coup. So the expression likevel is absent. It is zero correspondence in English. This is just for illustrating what is meant by this. For divergent, non-congruent, or the same non-congruent divergent correspondence, it means what? It means we've got a formal difference between two corresponding items and the source and the target text. However, differences in lexicalization between, for example, Norwegian and English may still yield similar meanings. Out of this, we can deduce that both mutual correspondence and framework of correspondence show that translation has got a very significant position, a very significant value as a tertium comparationis. This is the end of this chapter, and thank you very much. Goodbye.